The world is still asleep, but you're not. You answer a call that only you can hear. This is where it begins. Winning doesn't always look like trophies and cheering crowds. Sometimes it looks like quiet endurance, like the steady rhythm of your feet on the pavement before the sun has even crested the horizon. Success doesn't always feel like a grand celebration. There are no fireworks for the extra hour you put in, no applause for the problem you solved when everyone else had gone home. Sometimes it feels like a quiet whisper in the back of your mind, a simple, honest truth you tell yourself when the day has taken its toll. It sounds like, "I'm tired, but I'm still trying." It feels like the grit between your teeth when you face a setback, when the project doesn't go as planned, or the wood splits unexpectedly. You take a breath, reset, and start again. It's the quiet acknowledgement. Today was hard, but I didn't quit. It's the echo in an empty room, the solitary pursuit of a goal only you are invested in. You push past the burn, you finish the last set, you show up for yourself. No one clapped, but I kept going. That's winning too, the silent kind. The kind that doesn't need an audience to be valid. The real kind. The kind that builds legends. Not overnight, but brick by silent brick. Day by disciplined day. Not all victories are visible to the outside world. Most of them happen inside, in the quiet moments of decision, in the unseen battles against doubt and fatigue. This is where true strength is born. So stand tall today. Acknowledge the effort that no one else sees. Honor the promises you keep to yourself. Your silent victories count more than you know. They are the foundation of everything you are and everything you are yet to become.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.